everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I'm gonna do this video and get out of here. I'll be out of town for a few days, so I'm going on a vacation slash business trip. So I won't be doing videos for the next couple of days, right? But I'll still be on all the social networks. Maybe even do some live streams. So this is a special encouragement and call to action for those of you people who don't follow me on social networks to go do that, specifically Twitter and Instagram, because I'm going to be periscoping some stuff when I'm not doing YouTube videos, alright? So, let me get to today's question, alright? And by the way, if you're new here, first of all, thank you very much. Subscribe. We've been getting lots of subscribers lately to YouTube and to the blog. I appreciate it very much. I'm going to be having a couple giveaways here really soon for my email list. So, yeah, stay tuned for that, okay? So, this question comes from someone who emailed me, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. You can also call or text 949-415-6256. So, this one's all about selling your company, all right? Selling your research clinic. And the specific question is, what is an industry multiple for a company with 4 sites that generates revenue in the 7 to 8 digit range? So meaning anywhere from 1 million to 10 million. So let's go with like 5 million. Alright, the multiple for this company, and for those of you who don't know, multiple is what the selling price of the company would be after profit. So let's say you have a company that profits $1 million a year, right? That's the profit. Let's say they gross $2 million, their expenses, all expenses are $1 million, taxes included. So earnings before interest, taxes, debt, and amortization, that's EBITDA, is $1 million, right? So that doesn't include taxes actually. So the profit is $1 million pre-tax. A good multiple for this industry, especially for a company of this size, is anywhere from 4 to 5 times earnings. So that means for that company, a good sales price, a fair sales price, would be 4 to 5 million if they're generating $1 million EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization. So in the 7 to 8 figure range, that's actually a good range to be in if you're looking to sell a company or if you're looking to buy a company, right? Never, if you're looking to buy a company, never consider buying a company with earnings below $1 million because it's too small, and most likely, 99 out of 100 times, it's going to be that kind of business is way too dependent on several key individuals, and usually those are the same individuals who are going to be leaving the company after the sale. So you want a company like this between 7 to 8 figures, like in the $5 million range, $10 million range. Was that gross or profit? Generates revenue, so gross revenue in the 7 to 8 digit range. So let's say this is a site that grosses $5 million. Their profit might be $2.5 million, right? So a good multiple would be like between 8 to 10 million dollars, right? So that'd be a good sales price for them, a multiple of 4 to 5. So remember, never buy a company under $1 million in gross revenue. If you're going to consider paying for a company that has less than $1 million gross, you might as well just take a fraction of that money and start your own clinic, because ultimately that's what you're going to end up doing anyways, is starting from scratch when those key individuals leave, and then you have no business, right? So if you are looking to not start from scratch, but to purchase an established company, I know some of you guys out there, and I need to know more of you, are wealthy investors, and you don't have time to wait around to build a company from scratch. You've done that your whole career. You want to buy an established business that you can get healthy returns on and not do very much work on. A company like this would be good. So 7 to 8 figures or more, and then you can even turn that with the right management team into an SMO or a CRO. So a multiple of 4 to 5 would be fair, right? Thank you guys for watching. Keep your questions coming. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.